aracyari sakala da premier umva nyuma ya MC Greasy dutangira filime y'umwaka yiswe Freakish episode 7 atagira utikwa bana bikinyesha na MC Greasy skia mapiano jana zibihe byose abana baje right skia MC Greasy
karimo nini sinshaka vibe z'ubusasi wapi bitukombikora dowuru buryo ngukora
bana bepfiri yasha baje
iri kumamagara nasiga magara mu magano rigaragaza pretty girl inanda gush
Bice Freakish tangira 7
gusha pretty girl indane ninge nawe yeah so yeah rekatubine now shake your bum
Sogea mbele maze tubyine skia right karimbo neza nyuma MC Greasy arigenya musange firiya hari maraterura amatafari nashaka kuba umufundi one ubutuza bwaturutse
ari dore ntukimenya aho bibera ubo kwifunga funze uzikora ifari forever mpora nkurabura nkuko bisanzwe utazabura rika wikora umedita umenya uko zikinwa nyereka iyo body ureba ibyo nyikora mfite uko mbikora ibitendo
yampito go mikora ibitendo
itonde gato fata ko kunywa kunama gato efata mano inkaragira tonight tukore maji
sogea mbere reka tubyina turyo show hamwe na MC Greasy na Sankara da Premier sogea mbere dutangira right nuko tutangira episode 7
I'm freakish.
incamake kuri Freakish
We don't have any sleeping gas.
ntabwo dufite imyuka yasinziriza zera zombies hari ibyo twabonye ubushize
Well, I can make some.
ariko nyina bakorera gaze yasinziriza zombies
All by myself.
nanya ndajyayo
Point of risking more than one person.
oya dutureka ajyayo umwe
So you know, I trained in gymnastics for half.
oya nitoje rwose ibintu bya gym najyayo twabonye abakobwa ubwo Violet yitaga zombie byo dukeneye murabizi cyane turabifite kumba zombie nayo
To make a thermite bomb.
And what are you
ati wakoze igisasu
suggesting?
none wapangaga iki
Only that you might have been responsible for the entire disaster.
ati icyorezo cyateye cyangwa se ibibazo byabaye wabigize mu ruhare wibuka umukobwa
These are way too loud.
abasasa hakuno nabo
Every freak in the
barimo
shop.
barapanga buryo ki bashaka kudu masoka muri kigo cy'ishuri bakaba bajyanze barebe ahantu hari amahombo y'amazi barebe ko mu kigo hagera amazi
Pretty much.
byiza cyane
You're so dead.
yewe turasa n'abapfu kabisa dore hanze uruganda rwarimo imyuka ya kirimbuzi cyangwa imyuka y'uburozi rwaraturitse ahantu hose harangirika abari hanze bose barindutse za zombi aba nabo gukira nuko bari mu kigo cy'ishuri sasa mugenzi cya Dizo
No, I said I'm not thirsty.
oya nta myota mfite akunda gufasha umukobwa
Liar.
kubera ko atwite oya uri umwimbeshya amazi urayakeneye inywere
I've left.
nta rusigaranye se ntubigire ikibazo
Thank you.
urakoze ni Natali mugenzi kananga dore ibya zombi hanze madiricya bateye ibiti n'iki byose yewe ndukiye ko turi abanyamahirwe kuba twarasigaye natwe ni iby'iminsi mike amazi yabuze sasu nawe
That's the knockout gas?
yewe iyo gaze yakoze niyo yatuma zombi zisinzira
It's strong shit.
ati rakomeye birenze ko mubikeka ifite imbaraga iyi gaze
So we chucked that into the shelter.
It evaporates
none dushaka aho tuzina gatanu
and the freaks go down.
Yeah, so do we.
ati turamutse muri za zombi zahwera akanya tukajya gushaka amahombo tukabona amazi
No, the gas is heavier than the air.
ati gaze nakoze iremereye kurusha umwuka usanzwe duhumeka oxygene
So we wait for the freaks to fall asleep, the ether will settle, and then we'll go inside and get the mask.
ati gisigaye nta kindi zombi turazinaga muri za zombi zini sinzira twambare za mask tujyanze kuba twakora amahombo y'amazi.
Simple enough.
Ndumva byoroshye.
Has to be a better way.
Oh, sure.
Ase mwavuze mu buryo
We
bworoshye.
die of thirst.
None se umukobwa kuri muri byoroshye twicwe n'inyota. Umukobwa afite ubwoko kuba yajya hanze. Hari ukwanga kujya hanze nabwo kwicwa n'inyota. Umukobwa niwe mushimisite bafite nakoze hano. Yavaza ama produits.
Need to pick who's doing this.
Mwana duhita mari bujyanze bro. Sasa hano araho bafunze. Hari bya zombies. Buri kanya yo kubita umuryango. Tayari. Dutangiye episode ya 7 ya Frikishi. Nakubwiye aracyari Canada Premier umva. Kuva muri Giti Business Group hatagira
I
ucikwa.
am telling you, we have nothing.
Na ndimo ndababwira nta kintu dufite.
No.
Sasa uyu musore Barrett arukuna ajya avuga n'abantu bari hanze arimo arakubufasha.
Water, no way out.
Nta mazi nta buryo dufite kugasohoka hano.
Your situation is unfortunate.
Ati rwose situation muri mo yumvikana ariko nta kintu twabafasha. Sasa yuko yakarasanga Barrett. Bibuka Barrett abantu avugana nabo arabihisha. Mugomba kudufasha.
No, Zulu.
Kumbe
Oh.
Grover Jones kwinjira.
Damn it.
Sawa.
Okay.
Sawa sawa.
Mayday.
Akarajya
We are 7 survivors at Kent High School.
twasigaye turi abantu bakize barindwi kuri cyaje cy'ishuri Kent High School.
Do you read?
Muranyumva? Ndakumva avuga ni mudamu. Mayday. Turakumva over.
Holy shit.
Mwanda wera. Sasa uyu musore kuva na mbere.
Contact
Yajyaga avugana n'abantu bari hanze bivuze ngo hari abandi bantu bakize ariko akabisha bagenzi be.
with somebody.
Ngira umuntu muri
I
kuvugana.
know someone heard us.
How long
Tanga byakunana batwumvishe.
has it been working?
Umaze igihe kingana iki iyi radio ikora ubiduhisha? Ngo?
I literally.
Ojya tujyane bivuga neza. Sasa uyu naje mu kigo.
Jared here's been in contact with somebody.
Manu uyu musore amaze igihe kinini aravugana n'abantu bari hanze.
You're kidding.
Urimo nambeshya se?
Just fixed it. I was
Ah
asking
nibwo radio nyikora rata.
help, and I got someone.
Niba ndakumva teteka. Boss nta muntu umwizera.
What'd he do?
Yakoze ibiki?
I got someone on the.
Stop talking.
Arabona teteka uyivuga.
Walked in and he was talking to somebody on the radio.
Nindiye mu cyumba yarari musanga ari baravuga kuri radio avugana n'undi muntu.
Somebody that he knew.
Kandi umuntu bavuganaga basaga nkaho baziranye.
What should we do with him?
None tumukorera iki?
We listened. He just said he found help.
Ariko si byavuze avuze ko yarimo aradushakira ubufasha byo ntakibazo kirimo.
Shit. I heard you talking to someone earlier.
Ariko nanjye ubushize nakumvisha umuntu avugana n'umuntu.
You
Bivugana ka Violet muri episode ya 5 ka musaza arimo aravugana n'umuntu akagira gasaza.
misunderstood what you thought you heard.
Ase mushaka kuba mwarebeshe ubwo mwacetse ko
Is
mwumvishije.
it?
Yari nde mwavuganaga?
I am telling you, I am just trying to help
Ndimo
us.
ndabwiza ko irimo aragerageza kuba nabona ubufasha.
We don't need your help.
Nta bufasha bwa dukeneye baramurambiwe.
Oh my god, I forgot.
Nani bagena ko?
Vodka. We're all saved.
Oh, it's
Ubwo
stronger
twabaye inzoga twese dufite
Than
umutekano.
you think.
Ati ibyo nakoze bironze ko bikeka.
The potion. You honestly believe a bunch of genetic freaks
Wa
are
mukobwa nagize urore ko abantu barace za zombies.
just gonna sniff that?
Afunguye gaze. Banga cyihumeka. Nabahita hwera. Ubukobwa uraha. Nta bana bipfuka ku mazuru. Ikirazo gicika intege gaze bakoze mbanzi ikora. Sasa ko bano bakaryamye. Basigaje kumenya baradagwiga za zombi ryari.
I'm fine. I'm just dizzy.
Yewe meze neza nuko mfite ubute gusa.
Just drink some.
Kamwe ku mazi.
Until he wakes up.
Basi barafata kingana kujya kangu.
Based on malaria evaporation rate, 20 minutes.
Nkurikije unagiye mvanga byanga byakunda ashobora kuba yahwera iminota 20.
So she says.
Bivuze ngo
Careless. You know we're not your guinea pigs.
yewe yanaga ari nguburi munashya nazo.
Just meant to get buried.
Ubwo yahwera ari umuntu.
Had it coming.
Yarabizwe biri bubi.
No, I didn't.
Ariko ntago nari mbizi.
Point is, you lost your temper.
Yewe icyo kingingo nimwe warakaye.
It was risky and at Diesel's expense. I
Ati byakoze na dizo shaka yamgira ingaruka.
Screwed up, okay?
Sana koza amakosa.
My bad.
Ni bibi kibaye ibyo nakoze.
Jesus.
Tangira gushwana. Sasa Groove akurya ka Violet.
Hey,
Yewe.
why are you so upset?
Rarakazwa niki?
Well, apparently I have a temper.
Yewe burakari nabwo abura kubugira.
It was a mistake.
Habaye ubutamenya.
First,
Ati nubwo amena ariko ziriya gaze no baremo nanisha umutwe.
I can't keep doing this.
Ntago nakomeza kubana n'abantu nk'aba.
Doing what?
Ukora iki se?
Just losing my shit.
Rwose kwitera icyizere. Karimo karakora ibyabafashiriza hamwe barimo baragatesha umutwe. Kumbe hakuno.
Whoever finds this.
Uzabona ubu butumwa sasa abakobwa bose batangiye kwitera icyizere amatelefone marashira mu muriro gufata ka video ka nyuma kugira ngo abazatora telefone bazumva ubutumwa bwa nyuma.
My name is Violet Adams.
Atamazina yanjye nitwa Violet Adams.
And everything that happened.
Kandi byabaye byose.
The explosion at the plant.
Uguturika kwa ruganda plant.
The whole disaster.
Icyorezo cyose cyabaye cyangwa ibyago byabaye.
It was all my fault.
Byose byari amakosa yanjye. Ese byagenze biti?
I swear I'm not the genocidal type.
Ndabarahira rwose sijye muntu mubi wajya kurimbura abantu.
I was just trying to blow up a car.
Nari ndimo nagereza ko guturitsa imodoka y'umuntu. Hari umuntu wame mukera ashaka gutwika imodoka ye. Birangira n'uruganda rwarimo ama production chimique imyuka y'uburozi ruturitse.
Cherry red pickup of a cheating asshole.
Nakundanaga n'umusore twaga Cherry mbirangira ndimo namufata nti nyuma.
Worked at the plant.
Kandi yakoraga ku ruganda.
No, Zane. If you think you can use me and get away with it.
Sasa umukobwa mwibuka episode ya mbere tangira hari umuntu wavugana yitwaga Zeni, yaramubwira ati Zeni ni wumva ko wankoresha. Uwarenze ukanjugunya gutyo gusa.
You may want to look up.
Nago wagenda gutyo gusa.
At the parking lot.
Naho ushaka kujya muri parking urebye nagukoze. Sasa rafite umusore bakundanaga yamuciye inyuma navuga ati nago warangiza kunkoresha ngo ugende gutyo gusa. Ariko ibyo sibyo by'ingenzi.
I did this.
Nijye wabikoze nijye ateye ibibazo. Gutuma abantu bahinduka za zombies.
I'm responsible for all of it.
Rwose ibi byose amakosa n'ayanjye. Nijye nyirabayazana.
And I'm sorry.
Kandi mumbabarira asiga ka video ka nyuma.
I'm really sorry.
Rwose mumbabarire bimvuye ku mutima. Bose amatelefone atangiye gushya muri bazi igicere cyo cyose. Naho bahinduka. Abazatora amatelefone wenda.
Right.
Bano sasa baritegura kwambara. Yabi parisho ke contre shock. Afa.
So, Diesel's messed up.
Okay, that leaves us.
Mwana Dizo yawereye. Dosigaye twe bane.
3. Me, you, and Violet.
Aterije nawe na Violet na n'uyu mukobwa Zoe.
Fought them before, I can do it again.
Ayewe narwanya nazo zombi bwa mbere nako njanga rwana nazo.
Cool, you don't want to do this.
Sheri nagwa bijyamo.
Look, baby, just...
Okay, I get what you're trying to say, but who just got all the chemicals?
Exactly.
Yewe dufite amashimike ama produit chimique menshi.
But you just took a huge risk.
Yewe yabari risk ya danje ugiye gufata.
Violet?
Violet knows about the ether, you don't. Just...
Uriya mukobwa zibyinshi utazi tuzi.
Relax.
Could you just have a little faith in me?
Hase kucitanyirira icyizere.
Look, we got this.
Awe mukono wigira ikibazo turabikemura.
It's okay.
Ntugire ikibazo.
Fine.
Sawa.
I'll be with Natalie.
Sawa nabana na Natalie karivumbura. Barangije bana baritegura.
In the dead center of the room, 20 feet in.
Igicerewe no kunagamo indani ubundi byahwera tukinjiramo indani.
I don't know about this.
Hey, you got this.
Mwana witinya bro turabikora.
Come on.
Hereza urucupa rwa gaze. No gufungurana bakiragamo indani. Tayari.
On 3.
Tubare gatatu. Rimwe. Kabiri. Gatatu. Sasa abyinjamo barakinga. Nazemo indani gicupa. Uyu ko bagafunguye agacupa yahumetseho gatarahwera. Aragaruka ejuru.
Radio, asshole.
Nenda ari ku radio amusenzi we. Icyadizo. Wayeshenje.
Hey, hello, Mayday.
Sasa mugeze Natalie yaje hakuno kuri radio ahamagara yumve yuko hari yakumvikana n'abandi bantu baba barakize. Ebi byateye hari amahirwe wapi?
Static. Whoever he was talking to.
Na sinyare nago turi kumva indi minara.
You're not going in?
Yewe nago waje mindani.
I wanted to go, but Sean tried to talk me out of it.
Narata kwinjira mindani muri gahunda ariko usheri wanya arambuza.
I'm sure he was just trying to protect you.
Ariko bya yakoze byose ashaka kurinda.
I don't need saving.
Ntago nyene umuntu njye uncunga.
You're a cheer captain, you can run a 40.
Wikivugisha ibyo ngibyo nawe udakunda ubuzima ariko niba ufite umuntu kwitaho nabyo ni byiza.
He still treats me like a diva.
Amfata nk'akana. Abana n'umuntu wo kugigoca n'uwo mu gigoco.
You don't think he respects you?
Ndetse arakeka atakubaha.
He worships me.
Ahubwo aranansingiza.
That's not the same thing.
Yare ni ibyo nyine yabikeneye muri iyi si.
Yeah, I know.
Ndabizi. Kumba abakobwa bicaye.
Got real quiet real fast.
Mwana ndumva hacecetse cyane indani.
Check the boxes in the back.
Katujye kureba amakarita ari inyuma.
To the left.
Groove arajya kuri amakarito harimo za mask.
Get the masks, we get out as fast as we
Dufata za mask dusohoke byihuse.
sinks.
Baramutse bafite za mask bakonya bakajya hanze bakaba bajya gutunganya amahombo y'amazi.
If anything,
Indani bakabona amazi.
you have to close that door.
Wa mukobwa wowe urasigara haramutse hagize ikibi indani aho kugira dupfe twese wakinga umuryango tugapfiramo turi babiri. Bamaniga barangije. Fati hombo. Kumbe bya zombi byahwereye bibi umukobwa yakoze. Byakoze bya nyabyo. Yitonze. Ndani. Zombi zose zahwereye. Tayari. Kombo yu. Dizo ari hano. Nganda.
Natalie!
Natalie.
Zoe.
Ni Barrett.
Barrett. He's moving.
Ari marabuja.
What?
Ngo?
Oh, shit.
Nganda.
I thought she said it would last 20 minutes.
Uriya mukobwa yavuze ko umuti bwe yawumetse biramara minota 20.
The freaks in the fallout shelter are gonna start waking up.
Bivuze ngo na za zombi bahwereje ninacha 5 minutes zaratanya zikanguke.
Violet's timing is way off. I have to warn them.
Yero tugiye Violet bitegure ko nazo zigiye kukanguka nimba ari n'uwinjiyemo indani bamumenyeshe. Sasa bano bari muri za zombi indani ntago bazi zombi ziwera igihe kingana iki ntibazi buriya gaze iraziwereza iminota ingahe bari bashaka za mask. Yo kugira gutya tayari ko bashaka za mask yagize gutya aribyo yaguyeho mwanda bana no baza bihuta babwiye ko wari wahwereye hejuru nawe yagarutse hejuru uyu kuzigeraho nawe gaze yamubanye nyinshi yayihumetse tangira gucika intege ni Grover Jones. Violet.
Barrett's waking up right.
Barrett yakangutse.
Can't be.
Ntabwo byashoboka.
Stay here.
Gumana.
Don't.
Violet umva. Basore.
Gotta go.
Musoge nona.
Let's get out now.
Kumbura imindani we yahwereye bene nabyo bitangira kuganguka. Gaze yabishizemo. Uko bikanguka aruri imindani. Barrett byacinga vuba. Bano bacinga bacinjana mugenzi wabo. Reba filime sasa.
Or worse.
Uko wacinze nase n'inyungura tugapfa twese.
They're gonna kill him.
Biramwica tu. Ana Nyagasani.
We can't leave him in there.
Ntabwo twamureka mumva. Haramaita mufite.
This is all my fault.
No,
Byose n'amakosa yanjye.
Nah, don't think like that.
Bitekereza gutya.
What am I supposed to think? We
None nabitekereza iki?
could have done something.
Nakaba yaragize icyo nkora. Aho kugira ngo bapfe bose hapfa umwe. Tayari. Maniga ari mindani.
Hey.
Barrett gukanguka.
Easy, you're okay.
Bigenze gake.
Barrett.
Barrett. Kujejuru.
Okay, come on.
Sawa, wena na amusenzi.
Just show us the radio.
Kwereke shaye bya radio tubwira mwavuganaga uyu najaiza ni Dizo. Maniga wena najaiza.
I swear they were on this frequency before.
Umva bari bari kuri uyu murongo kuva na mbere.
Yeah, and what they say.
Not much.
Tubwira ibyo bavuze.
All I heard was copy can I.
And who were you talking
Bavuga ijambo kopi gusa.
to before that?
We don't know
Uretse kuki utabitubwiye kuva na mbere.
that he was.
That's what Grover said.
Grover
Ibyo ndio Grover yavugaga.
overreacted.
Grover yarakaye pe yagize umurya wihuza.
Yeah.
Baraho. Ko baraho.
Did you hear that?
Mubyumvishe cyangwa.
I hope to God that's a rat.
Asanga ari n'imbeba wana.
Sounds like it's coming from the lobby.
baza ari kintu muri laboratoire.
Give me your phone.
Wemereza telefone yawe.
Be careful.
Yewe ubake ya full witonde. Arangije maniga naze muzana hakuno urebe amuritse niyagira icyo abona. Yewe urabona iki?
Nothing.
Ntacyo bana.
Could have just been
kumbi mbere ye zombi yaciye muri parafo dore ngwira gwa hakuno sasa ifata dizo shinga menyo tayari kubita tindo bose baratangira bayikingira n'indani muri studio. Hey,
Did he get you?
mwana yakurumye cyangwa yambaye igikote kinini.
It didn't go through.
Ntago amenyo aciyemo.
We can't stay in here forever. Stay here.
Aragumano bana. Dizo arakomeza. Tayari kumbu uyu nawe kugira gutya maniga kugaruka ejuru. Dore ngo biramubona sasa. Dore icyo bita kuraburiza maniga aratangira cyo bita de buri yaje kwicu gushaka inzira byazomira byinshi turore tayari maniga araparamira. Mana we tayari hano hari utwumba bari barateguye mu gihe cyasugwa n'abantu munsi y'ikigo harimo ubutanda.
We have to do something.
Tugomba kugira icyo dukora.
They're afraid of fire, right?
No.
Babira bintu bitinya umuriro.
The gas will explode and we'll
Gaze yahita iturika rero sasa.
kill him too.
Jaye nawe yapfiramo. Sasa gaze bashizemo ni ngizi gaze ziteka n'ubundi.
Guys, listen.
Bretse umva. Bumva guru bari mara kumfasha.
Open the door!
Ukingura umuryango. Yakangutse. Mumfashe. Manega yakangutse aracyakwepana nabyo. Ni hejuru ku bitanda. Bwa butana bwo muri nterina. Ukingura umuryango.
Killing him. We need to do something.
Ya kumwita tugire icyo dukora.
FILMZ, we make a plan. So what
Tubanza dukora umupango.
we do?
None dukora iki?
I got an idea.
Igitekerezo.
Probably not. Come on.
Baretse gataza ngareka mfata ku intebe. Bitonze. Barangije. Bazana ubutebege ndabisunika. Tayari ko bagabyeje hirya. Maniga aramanuka. Naho bagaruka inyuma. Tayari bakinga umupango urakoza mina.
This seriously better work.
Mwana mukoza akazi keza kabisa. Yabuze gato. Sasa hakuno.
So did you get through to anyone?
Yari umuntu kuri radio mwavuganye se?
On the radio?
Kuri radio.
Reception was spotty.
Byanga byakunda mu kuri reception.
To start?
Byaro gutangira.
Why weren't you more upfront with it earlier?
No use.
Agasobanuye byaro gamije kuva kare.
People just want to see me fail.
Ati abantu baje bashaka kumona tsindwa.
No.
Oya.
People expect the most out of you because you can do the most out of any of us.
Ati byo abantu iyo teke bagufitiye ikizera bazi ko bakora ibirenze yuko zubuswa rero niyo mpamvu bose baguhinduka.
Maybe.
Ati wenda wasanga ibyo uvuga ari byo.
But no one has my back.
Sibyo ko nta n'umuntu numwe undi inyuma.
That's not true.
Haga ariko kuri.
It's easy for you to say.
Ati biroroshye kubivuga nkawe. Atari kuri kumwe na Lishan wowe. Bakira aho. Hey!
The hallway's clear.
Hano se atunganye.
Come on. We need to.
Mwararebe iki tugende tuve hano hakiri kare. Abuko bakaje. Paka hakuno. Hamwe muri dining hamwe bariraga.
Guys,
Bavandi. Ubwo bonana amaraso.
we have to get out of here.
Tugomba tuvana. Kumbe. Sasa nari. Are chade. Mwana hakurya ari. Chambara. Bareti. gira nashani mukobwa ishinga icyuma mu mutwe kazowi
What just happened?
bigenze biti
I just did that.
ibyo bikoze
That was badass.
byarangiye baratangaje pe bose sasa haku nino za mask tubazanye ni nyinshi kujyanze niba umeke birabyuka nabyo nande mahirwe
Spoils of victory.
tugamba ko bw'intsinzi mwana
Getting out of here.
People, you don't
cyo umuntu ariko yavana
understand. This dude had no chance.
Seriously, no
vane mwana amahite mwana na mahirwe yari afite gusa
chance.
ayo kabisa
He just came up. It was like Lazarus.
bwana yaje ariko yarameze nka Lazaro uzutse gasekamo
Speech.
Yeah, speed.
muvuge gira icyo uvuga
I can honestly say I've never felt so lucky.
ariko mu byukuri sinavuga ko ndi umunyamahirwe ariko nuko byagenze
And so scared shitless.
bwari ubwa mbere agize ubwa buzima bwanjye bwose baraseka mugenzi kumbe kazowi koko ije zombi gafite ubwoba
Baby,
yewe
are you hiding here?
kuki wihisha hano
Want some privacy?
ndashaka ahantu njya mba ni njyenyine
For me?
uhunga njye se
Everybody?
guhunga buri umwe
Want to talk about why?
wambwira impamvu se
Saved Barrett's life today.
I know you're
ati natabaye ubuzima bwa Barrett uyu munsi
telling everyone.
ariko arimo arabibwira buri umwe
You fought like a champion.
ati warwanye rwose nk'umuntu ufite intsinzi muri we
You don't get it.
ntabwo ubyumva
I killed somebody today.
uyu munsi nishe umuntu
Baby was a freak.
oya ntabwo yari umuntu yari zombi
Days ago, I was a human being.
nubwo yari zombi ariko iminsi ibiri ishize yari umuntu nk'abandi
2 days ago, they all were.
ati n'abandi bose bagiye bapfa iminsi ibiri ishize niko bari bameze
Come here.
ngwino hano oya ndekuma ntabwo mbyumva nshaka kuba ndi jyenyine kuba uri wenyine buriya abazungu bajya disipurine uvuga ati pakanya araguhunga taba ufite akantu ko gutoroma ukankoma nk'icupa bano ko bareba bino bintu bahume cyangwa za masiki
I'm so glad you're still here.
nubwo se ndishimye kuba ukiri hano katangiye kamupinga
The hell?
binekera
What? What?
iki
These filters are all shot, rotted out.
ati bino bintu bahumekera byose byarangiritse
What?
buno filters bawucamo umwuka
Look.
bwaraboze do bwose bwaramunzwe kujya hanze biracyari ingorabahizi
All of them except this one.
byose usibye iki ngiki bivuze ngo umuntu wajya hanze yagenda umwe
So only one of us can leave.
bivuze ngo umwe muri twe niwe ugomba kubaho Hey! Ninde uri busohoke none ninde uri busohoke cyo nicyo kibazo baraguma n'amazi cyangwa nakubwiye aracyari Canada Premier wumva ndace karindwa nuko igenze nimuze gucika ya munani yari Canada Premier wumvaga abagenda bakora cyane cyane Hasta la Vista.